Hello guys, welcome back to Lan App. For today's video, we are going to show you or discuss with you how to fix LG washing machine error code DL. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So you might be having problems with your LG washing machine here and getting that DL or code DL error. Now, there are a few things that you could try here. So first thing that you might want to do here is you might want to inspect the door latch. Now, in this case, if the error persists here, you want to examine the door latch and switch for, or in this case, you want to go and look for any visible damage or wear. Now, sometimes if your door is damaged, this error code might actually appear. Now, also, you want to basically check for any items that are stuck in the door that might prevent it from closing properly. Now, if you find any, remove them and try again. Now, also, this is just a quick tip that I would like you to try doing here. So make sure that your door is free from any dirt. So maybe try cleaning it or just run a clean cycle on your LG washing machine here and see if that actually removes the error itself. Well, if you can't run the actual, or if you can run a cycle here, try cleaning it yourself and see if that clears out. Now, another thing that you could do here is you want to maybe try power cycling your machine. Now, what you need to do is you want to go ahead and plug your washing machine from any power source. Now, if you can't reach the plug on it, maybe turn off the breaker for it and just let it rest for about 10 seconds or more, even an hour if you can. So in this case, this actually drains the power from it and soft resets your machine. Now, this can sometimes reset the error and hopefully that should go away. Now, if that doesn't solve your issue, you could also try basically replacing the door lock switch here. So if you do notice that it's broken. Now, in this case, if the latch switch or is faulty, you may need to replace it. So to do this, you need to unplug your washer, remove the back cover of the control panel, and disconnect the faulty switch and install a new one. So if you can't do this yourself, it is recommended or highly recommended that you contact LG support in order for them to connect you with a technician to do this properly so that you don't cause further issues on your washer. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to Lan App. Thank you for watching.